At TOPWELLGOAL, our partnerships start with one simple step: listening. We take time to truly understand what our clients need because every project is unique. When you work with us, we don't just offer standard solutions. Whether you're producing food packaging that demands top safety standards or paints and inks that require consistent quality, we tailor our approach to match your specific requirements. When a new inquiry comes in, our technical team and engineers meet right away. We'll review your goals and your end product requirements and timelines, ensuring no detail is missed. From product form to raw material selection to production lead time, we work together to build the perfect solution. And yes, samples are always part of the process. We provide free samples shipped worldwide so you can test performance directly in your production. Many of our customers come to us after facing challenges, whether it's quality, supply, or performance. We listen to those concerns and put strong, reliable processes in place to make sure the same issues won't happen again. Our customer service team is always easy to reach. Pick up the phone, drop us an email, and you'll get a quick, helpful response. Let's build better solutions together. Contact us right away.